Hey all, welcome back to my channel. So, are you a person who is looking to make money online by just recording your voice or doing some transcription jobs? So, here it is. I have an amazing website today in this video where we'll be discussing all the possible ways to make money online by just recording your voice. So, without a further ado, we'll just start off with the video. Now, this is the website, guys. It's called as audiobee. I'll leave the link of this site in the description box below. So, if you are interested, you can just go through this site. So this website allows you to make money in various ways. So number one is doing transcription jobs. So by listening to the audio that is already given to you, you just have to type it out in the possible way without any grammatical mistakes and without any punctuation errors or something like that. So if you like those kind of jobs, you can directly sign up in this website and start making money online. This is definitely a legit site, so it is going to pay you, and this is available almost in most of the countries, I think. I'm not sure. I'll leave all the set of countries that is available in the site in the description box below as well. So if you want to check whether your country is available or not, from the description box. So there are so many ways to get paid from this site. Number one is transcription, so you can do that. Number two is recording your voice. There are definitely a lot of tests that will happen before you can even join and start making money. So it's not right away. You cannot right away make money just by signing up. You will be going through a lot of tests. Say for example, I'll be showing you a lot how the test and everything is going to be in this video. So that's what, like, you have to go through a test. Once you are passed and once you are like okay and you have scored that threshold, you will be able to get projects and make money from this site. And how much you can pay get paid for this site, from the site, like for doing this job, it depends, guys. But they say that it you can get paid anywhere between $24 to $120. But let's keep it more realistic. I don't think $120 for an hour is possible, like for an audio hour is possible, because it I from what I have seen, there aren't many projects that are available. And also the geographical location that you are in is affecting the number of projects that you can get. So possibly you can make around $20, 15 $20 per audio hour. I think that is much realistic. So yeah, once you have signed up, you have to verify your email address. Signing up process is very similar to all the other website, guys. So you have to fill up your email address, your name, and what you're going to choose. Say for example, you want transcription jobs, or do you want to record your audio, or are you going to do the segmentation process? So it depends. So if you like segmentation process, you can choose that. So these three are the ways where you can make money. For this video, I have chosen transcription. For transcription, they will be asking you what language you are comfortable in, what is your native language. Only in your native language is the very possible way you can make money, because I don't know why they are bit weird. Like, once you have chosen your native language, that is the first thing you will get tested for. So if you are passing that test, you will be able to get projects in your native language. If you don't want that language, you can change anyway, but the number one option that you're going to end up having a test is from your native language. Say if you're living in India, your native language is Hindi. You will be getting tested for Hindi first, and then you will be getting, say if you're not comfortable with Hindi transcription jobs, you want something in English, you can choose that after making your profile and everything. So this is how it's going to be. Make sure you read the guidelines very well before you even start with the test. It's not going to be easy, guys. It's not that easy, as far as I know, because you will be attending at least 3 tests before you enter the job board inside. So you have to pass 80% and above. So 80% in the sense, you will be given, I think, 10 questions or something. You will be able to make mistakes, only 2 mistakes you can make out of the 10. So it's like that, and you'll be given 20 minutes or something. You have to finish it before that. Yeah, that it's like that. So this is how it's going to be. MCQ 1 and 2. Make sure you read everything, read the guidelines, and then take test. Before taking test, you can even try checking how the preliminary one is like. Say if you try to take quiz, it will show you how it is, so that you can do it directly with the main one. So I'm taking in my native language, and before taking that, I really wanted to see what kind of questions they have, what type of answers they are expecting. So all these things I just want to go through. um, we'll talk about the pros and cons in next part of the video, but before that, make sure you subscribe and click on the bell notification so that you won't miss any update from our channel. So that's all about it, guys. Once you start taking tests, and you will be able to know that they have made it in such a way that the passing score is bit higher. And one important thing is that you can only take the quiz 2 times. After third time, you cannot take the quiz for the same language. So it's only 2 times, so make sure you read all the guidelines and everything properly before taking the test. And about the audio recording, you will be given a 20 minutes something and a paragraph to read. You have to read it in a noise free area. The decibel meter will be there, so it will be checking how much noise is present in your background. So make sure you stay in a very quiet place and have a well, like proper mics, headphones or headsets, something like that, whatever you want to have it for your audio recording. And audio recording is going to be very similar to your normal audio recorder that you have in your phone. It's going to record your voice. Once you click on the record button, it will be staying in red when you are recording. So make sure you rehearse it once before starting off with the main recording. Try talking in different faces, different style, and whichever it's comfortable for you, just try to record it. And once you have done, they will be asking you for 3 samples of your audio. So once you're done, you can just upload it. And after clearing that audio test, you will be given projects that you have to work on. When you are given projects, there is one important part, which is like you have to sign a NDA, non disclosure agreement, which is nothing but you have to tell them that everything is like private, you are not going to share anything. It's something like that. So you have to sign that agreement before starting off with the projects. And once you're getting the projects and started off, you have to complete the project and submit it. It is going to take at least 2 to 3 business days to get reviewed by the person who has given you the project. So they will take at least 2 to 3 days. After 2 to 3 days, if the project is qualified, if you have done a better job, a good job that has no errors, no mistakes, nothing, then you will be awarded the amount that has been assigned. Say it's like $5 for that project, you'll be getting that $5. So that's all about the work, guys. Now, how are you getting paid? So there are 3 ways in which you are going to get paid. Number one is PayPal. So PayPal is absolute, the best option that you can choose for, because you don't have any threshold in this site. You don't have any issues or anything. If you are in India, I would suggest you take you just take the PayPal thing, because it's the most comfortable and hassle free option that you can get paid for. And the second option is Payoneer. Payoneer is also available in India, but the problem is the highest threshold amount. You can only withdraw through Payoneer once you have reached $50. So I think the threshold is very high, so you can choose PayPal. Third one is wire transfer or direct bank transfer. Direct bank transfer is available only in few countries, so it's not available in India, I guess. So PayPal and Payoneer are the 2 options that if you are from India. And it depends on geographical location, guys. So I'll let you know what all geographical locations are available with this audiobee. For sure it's in India. I'm not sure about other countries. UK, US is there. Not sure about the other countries, so I'll let you know about it. So yeah, guys, and that's all about it. As far as I know, this site is legit and you can make money from this site. You will be getting paid weekly automatically. You don't have to press any buttons, you don't have to click withdraw option, nothing. it will get paid automatically every week once the threshold amount is like there, like for Payoneer only. If it's PayPal, you'll be getting paid even if you have $5, if you have earned $5 from this site. So that's all about the video, guys. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, do let me know in the comments below so that I can answer it and I can get back to you ASAP. And if you have any other suggestions, any other things related to making money online or anything about it, or if you want to just say hi, you can do. Yeah, guys, if you have any questions, do let me know. So yeah, that's all about it, guys. This is a great option to make money online if you're looking for something as a side hustle. And yeah, so meet you all guys in the next video. Until then, bye and thank you.